Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Life is Strange double exposure game on your PC. Guys, first open up your browser and just search for the Steam website. Once you search for it, simply open up the Steam website. Simply click on this login option you are seeing on the right hand top. Now guys, simply sign into your account. If you don't have an account, then just create account on Steam. Just scroll down, you will see the option of create an account. Just create an account on Steam. After that, just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Now simply download the Steam and install it on your PC, guys. This is very simple and easy. So once you download and install the Steam, simply open up the Steam, then log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type the game which is Life is Strange. Now this game appeared on the top, so simply open up this Life is Strange game. Guys, once this page was open, now here just scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. So just click on this option of add to cart you are seeing right here. Now here you will see the option of view my cart. So simply click on this option of view my cart, then click on the option of continue to payment. Guys, once you click on that, now here simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, now game was added to your Steam library. Just go to the library of your Steam. On the left hand side, just find this Life is Strange game. Once you find it, then click on that, click on the install. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.